Hi, I'm Mike Steger. I'm a copyright and trademark lawyer. And last week we talked about why you need to get ownership of your intellectual property in writing. Today we're going to follow up on the same theme. It's going to be more about why you need to get it in writing. And we're going to start off and focus on the 10-letter word that you do not want to hear when you're an intellectual property owner. And that word is bankruptcy. What happens when someone goes into bankruptcy who has rights to intellectual property is often more complicated and less favorable than what people think. When people do intellectual property licenses, as with a lot of other contracts, they frequently put in provisions that say if one party files for bankruptcy, the other party can terminate the agreement. And lawyers do this all the time. Most lawyers do this. It doesn't necessarily work. Once there is a bankruptcy filing, there's a provision of the bankruptcy code called the automatic stay. And once the bankruptcy papers are filed, nobody can do anything with any contracts that they have with the bankrupt business. Those contracts are suddenly under the control of the court, and it's going to be the bankruptcy judge who decides if you can terminate the contract. That decision may happen in a week, it may happen in months, but you lose control once there is a bankruptcy filing related to your business or a business that you have a contract with. There are ways to get around this provision by structuring licenses that hopefully you could terminate before there's a bankruptcy filing, but there is some nuance and some skill to that. It is not something that you can do by finding some document online and filling it out, or talking to an attorney who doesn't do anything with real estate or business, with intellectual property or business transactions. So let's avoid that 10-letter word. Let's not let bankruptcy control your intellectual property. I'm Mike Steger. I'm a trademark and copyright attorney. If you have questions about how to get your intellectual property protected, call me or call another attorney who specializes in intellectual property. Thank you.